What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on the 88 CRX project again, and I did say in the last video that I'm just going to jump to the interior, but I think what I'm going to end up doing is starting with this hood here. I'm going to get the hood put on, try to get some of this front end done and bolted down, because a lot of these parts are kind of laying over on the other side of the garage, taking up space, and I really need to get those things on the car, kind of get them out of the way. So I'm going to go ahead and just jump into this hood here, see if I can get it aligned and get it on the car and just see where we go from there. Alright, well, before I can put on the door garnishes here that I just repainted, I do need to go ahead and put the seals back on the door because that does cover up some of the clips. So what I'm going to be putting on here are the Golden Era Parts replacement seals. Golden Era Parts is making replacement door seals for the JDM doors as well as the USDM doors. Go check the website out for all of his current offerings. But I have here are the front sub seals and the front complete surrounded door seals here. They're brand new parts. They are reproduction parts, but they're basically just like OEM. They actually come with the clips as well. I'm going to go ahead and open these up and show you the details of these because I'm really happy with these, and I've got some of these sub seals on my other CRX. Super happy with those as well. So let's get these opened up and I'll show you what they are. Alright, as you can see, these things are super nice. They're brand new. The rubber looks amazing. They're very pliable and soft, just as they should be to allow the door to actually seal up. They do come with the clips in them, which is awesome because most of those clips will break when you pull off the old ones. So that's great. They are color coded. The green is one side and then the orange is the other side. They do come in pairs. So I will leave a link down in the description below for these, as well as the sub seals, which we'll install here in just a minute. I'm going to go ahead and put these main seals on, and then we'll move to those sub seals. Alright, so I'm going to start up here in the top right corner of the door. And as you can see, my door still has the clip in it. And this new seal has the clip in there already, so I need to pop that clip out, and that'll be my starting point. And green is the passenger side, as you can see. These have all the original lips on them, so what you want to do is you want to tuck this bottom lip in to this edge here, and then you want to come back across the top after you get it started and press in the top inside of that lip. And you just work your way down all the way to the front of the door, and then we'll go down this right side. When you get down here to the end, there's another clip. You can go ahead and push it right in the hole there, hold it in place. Alright, back to this side. It's the same thing down the channel on the side of the door here. Alright, now it's just a matter of pushing these clips in with the matching holes. Alright, I had forgotten that I used the new sub seals on my car over here, and the ones that were in the bag were actually the really good condition ones that I took off of my car. So what I'm going to do with these is apply some Shin-Etsu grease. This is the Honda grease that's actually meant for these moldings. You can get this stuff at Resto Tuner. I'll leave a link down below for this stuff. I'm just going to rub it all over this, let it soak in, and that will help this last a lot longer, look better, and actually seal better as well. So I'm going to apply some of this and then we'll throw them on. Alright, now I can put the side garnish on here. The 88 is a little bit different than the 89 to 91. This doesn't have any special clips. It's literally just 3 Phillips screws here. So this one's super easy to put on. You don't have to worry about things breaking. The only thing that usually breaks here is the top one of these, which can be easily glued back. So let's go ahead and pop this on. Alright, well the passenger side door seals are completely installed. I was going to jump over here to the driver's side and get those installed, but I got to looking at that door and it's missing a lot of components like the window, the door handle, different things like that. I did go ahead and get a jump start on the window. I grabbed this out of the spare door in the back there. I pulled the tent off of there and got it all cleaned up. I didn't really show that on video. I do have to do the passenger side window as well. It's got tint and the rest of the glass does not, so I got to pull that tent off of there. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up here, and I hope you've enjoyed today's video. It's been kind of spread out over several days, but we're making progress, and so stick with me, and we'll keep making progress until this car is done.